Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox Sony WI-C400 wireless headphones. Okay, let's unbox it.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature, Harlow this.
Guys, there is a warranty instructions here. It says that we should purchase only this headset with authorized dealers. Only then if you will be getting the warranty. If you are going to purchase this with unauthorized dealers, you will not be able to claim warranties. It comes with an 1-year warranty. And also there is something, guys, to claim warranty we should keep this box with us, so please don't dispose this box. Please keep this box with you so that to claim the warranty. Okay, let's unbox it. It comes with a simple charging steps. How should we charge it? And some instructions manual like specifications and other things. Oh my god, it's very long. Okay, we don't need this. And some quick start guide. Let's see it. As the box contains headset, a charging cable, a reference guide and quick start guide, and some earbuds. Wow, guys, Sony has made it simple so that everyone can understand how to set up this headphones and pair with your smartphone, your Bluetooth. Okay. Let's see the headphones itself. It comes with a standard 2.0 USB cable, and there are 3 sets of earbuds, guys. Large, small and medium, I think so. And here comes the headset. Wow, it feels good, guys. Literally, it's like there is no weight in this. Oh, the headset feels good, guys. The build quality of the headset is really good. The wire is like good quality rubber, guys. It comes with the stoppers also, so that it will not be stuck. These are the stoppers. There are 2 stoppers. One is from this side and one is from this end. And on the left side there are control buttons. Like first one is a power button, second are volume rockers, and it can also used for changing songs, tracks, and third is play pause button. And also this button is also used for answering calls. This model has a curvature structure, which is slightly curved so that it fits the neck perfectly. The previous models are like they will be straight like this. There will not be any curvature or structures. The Sony branding logo is here on the top, and also on the left side earpiece, on the left side of the headset. Really, the plastic feels good. It also has a NFC connection so that it can be paired easily and fastly with the headphones. The earbuds feels good. Okay guys, let's quickly power it on and see. Guys, to power it on, we should press and hold the power button to power it on, so that the light comes first blue and it will be blinking on two colors like red and blue continuously. I hope you guys can see it. See, it will be blinking like red and blue. It's on the pairing mode now. Let's pair it with my smartphone. Guys, in the smartphone it shows as WI-C400. Once we click on it, it will be automatically connected. Wow, it connected so fast. Yeah, it's successfully connected. Guys, once it's connected, the blue color light will be blinking for every 3 seconds, I think. For every 3 seconds. I hope you guys can see the blue light here. With this Bluetooth headset, we can also use the Google Assistant. Let's try it. As to use Google Assistant, we should press and hold that pause play button. Use the same button for the iPhones also for Siri. As the charging port is below the controls, we should lift it, and there is a standard 2.0 USB charging port. Sony claims that it has a 20 hours of battery life. If it's going to be 20 hours, then wow, it's going to be so long. We can enjoy the music for 20 hours without any issues. Guys, now I have tested it for few hours. Guys, to be honest, the sound and bass quality from this headsets are really good. Like some high-end headsets, because it's from Sony, they purely concentrate on sound. Like really, they sound good. While I was testing, I was answering some phone calls with this headset. I think there is some background noise like is in the microphone. I don't know is the issue with this headset or with all the headsets with this model, but it doesn't come often. It comes sometimes in the middle while we are talking. And also guys, when you use this headset, if someone is calling you, the headset will vibrate when someone calls you. The headset vibrates. It feels something like on your neck. But guys, it is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like there is something on your neck until it vibrates. Yes. My rating for 10 is, for this headset I will give 8, because the build quality is good, the battery life on this headset is good, and it comes with 2 different connectivity options, Bluetooth and NFC. The sound and bass quality is really good. It feels awesome. I've tested it with 3D sound. It really performs well. Guys, and another thing, this can be also used for ride. This headset can also be used by a bike riders, because it doesn't have any controllers here in this. It can be wired inside the helmets. I have also tested some other headsets like JBL's. They have their control setups on the wire itself, so that it cannot be wired inside the helmets. This can be wired inside the helmet because all the controllers are strapped into the neckband, and it literally feels like ordinary headsets, so it can be wired inside the helmets without any issue. It's really, this is very worth for the money. I bought this from Amazon for 3,300, but it is mentioned as 3,990 on the package. On Amazon it's only 3,300. I think it's worth for every penny I spent on this headset. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below, and if you need to test this headset in any other ways, please leave in the comments so that I will test it and upload it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos. Bye.